loves, welcome back to my channel. Today we have Apocalyptic tune bag, and this theme is the Spider Queen. And what did we get? We got a 3 eyeshadow blush slash blush topper and chunky glitter mix. It's the only thing I haven't used on my face, but everything else I have. Now, the first thing here is a cherry lollipop. I love this and candy with every box. Now, this is the blush topper in shade Recluse, and I use it. It's more for me. It's more for a highlighter. And this is what I'm wearing, and I love it. Let me swatch it here. It's so pretty. It's here. It's so beautiful. It's like amazing dewy metallic highlighter. It's one of the nicest highlighters I think I own. It's my favorite product in this bag. Like, look at it. It's so pretty. Next we have an eyeshadow in shade Purple Bloom Tarantula. It's like this darker purple, and I'm wearing it over here. Let me swatch it. I usually open them up on a towel, so if something comes up, because there's no shifters. So I swatched it here. It's like this darker metallic purple. Now next we have the glitter. Oh guys, zoom you closer so you can see it. This is how it looks. There's like little spiders in it. I think for Halloween it will be really nice. Then we have a lighter purple eyeshadow in Archon. I hope you pronounce it correctly. I really like it. It's like so beautiful. And here is the swatch of it. I wear it outer part of the eye. It's so pretty. And here's the swatch. I really like their eyeshadow so far. And the last eyeshadow in June bag is Black Widow. Now this is like black based filled with purple glitter. I think it looks very unique. So this is how it looks. It's so pretty. And let me do a little swatch of it over here. I think it would be better applied on sticky base so the glitter really comes out. I feel like if I finger swatch, it's more like black with some kind of glitter around it. But for a smoky eye, it would be beautiful. So this is it. I got 5 full-size items, which I'm really happy with. Sometimes they have 4, but this month is 5, and I really like it. Got eyeshadows. I do like their liquid lipsticks as well. They do have nice shade range or shades which I have got, but I find the formula a little bit too drying for my lips, so it's good. I got like fun glitter and shadows and really beautiful highlighter. That's like that's worth it. I'm so in love with this highlighter. I know it's said blush or blush topper, but for me it's a highlighter. It's so pretty. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. If I seem a little bit down, it's because yesterday I had fever. I was sick. And today I'm just getting over it. I hopefully that fever doesn't come back, but I just wanted to get the video out. I hope I can edit it today and yeah, share this amazing beauty unboxing with you. Anyway, I'm stop talking now and finish off this video. I hope you're having a great day, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.